Hey YouTube, this is Kerry, West Texas Underground. Hey, I was going to do a quick VR for Phoenix Prepper. He was asking me a question about, he had a computer power supply that he wanted to run some LED lights with, and so I went out to the garage and grabbed up this old power supply, and I kind of wanted to explain to him and maybe some other people that might not know. He was wanting to run some LEDs for a computer. He was looking for something that he could basically kind of plug in and basically run off of his power supply in his computer from what the question was. My suggestion to you would be you can find these little connectors right here that basically if you don't have enough connectors coming off your power supply, you can find these little connectors here, and you know, this connector will come apart right here, basically wise up where you can basically get two plugins for like extra hard drives, floppy, CD-ROM, whatever you're running. To explain the voltage on these connectors here and coming out of the power supply, you basically have two voltages out here. You have a 12 volts positive and a 5 volts positive. I would use the 5 volt side of this connector, and if you wanted to, just clip the two wires. I can't remember right off the top of my head. I'd have to get out my meter and measure which side is which. But basically, from I can't remember if it's yellow and the black here is one voltage, and the red and the black is another voltage. And I can't remember right off the top of my head which one's which. But just take a meter and measure from this black wire to this red wire, and it's either going to be 12 volts or 5 volts. And then the same thing here. I want to say that the red and the black is the 5 volts. I could be wrong and have it opposite, but like I said, just take a meter, stick it in there, and turn on your power supply, and you'll get the voltage. My next suggestion would be if you want to run just individual LED lights and you didn't find an LED light that would actually plug into this connector, I would just clip the wire and solder on a wire, but I would put a 470 ohm resistor going to the LED, because LED runs anywhere from a volt and a half on up to about 3 volts. Anything higher than that, you're going to burn it out. So put you a current limiting resistor in there to keep from burning out your LED. And you might have to play with, you might have to go up a little bit or down a little bit, depending on the brightness that you're trying to achieve. I would suggest, if you're messing around with, you got a little breadboard, pull out your little breadboard and cram your LEDs in it, and then start playing with what resistance you need for that. And then just get you some heat shrink tubing or something to cover up the bare wires of the resistor and the bare wires of the LED, and then you'll be able to put those LEDs anywhere you wanted, silicone them in or super glue them, however you're going to do it. And this would go right back to this connector here, and you could plug it in. If you wanted to put a switch on it so you turn those lights off and on, that would be another cool feature. But hopefully this video will help you out and explain a few things. If I run across something that I feel that it will work for you, I'll take a picture of it and upload it. Heck, who knows? I might end up buying it if I like it, if it's cool enough. But hopefully this video helped you. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Text me, email me, just whatever you need to do to if you're having problems with figuring this out, and I'll see if I can help you out. Anyway, hope this helps you out. God bless.